In this video, we'll guide you through POS system onboarding, from Masterpanel setup to logging into the POS app. First, log into the Masterpanel using your phone number and password. Once logged in, you'll enter the dashboard. From here, click Set up POS system to begin the onboarding process. Here, you'll see 4 setup steps. First step is counter and terminal. This step is used to define how each POS device will operate. To add the counter, choose the terminal type, and then select the terminal link mode based on your setup needs. Step 2 is floor plan. This step is for setting up dine-in floors and tables. Choose the branch, add floors, and create tables by entering the number of tables, starting number, and floors. Once completed, you can print QR codes for each table. Next step is business settings. This step controls how your business operates in the POS system. Here, you'll set key options like operation mode, service charge, tax or SST, QR ordering, payment methods, printing templates, and customer display ads. These settings ensure your POS matches your business workflow. Last, go to Go Live. You'll find the download link and QR code for the POS app. Below that, the system shows the company ID and default staff access code, which are required to log into the POS app. And now, move to the POS device. Enter the company ID and password. Then, key in the staff access code. Once logged in successfully, your POS system is ready to use.